outdoor adventures, ladies. I don't know about you, but I'm going a little stir crazy. I know I haven't gotten a video up in a little while, and this one will also be a short one. I'm waiting for my next big trip over the 4th, but I thought this would be a good day to get out and see if we can get up the mountain and check on some waterfalls. Alright, tune back in a little bit and we'll see what we can find. At the location of the one waterfall I want to check, but gotta go see the view first. Can't not come up here and not go check out the view. At least the wind is picked up and it's a little bit cooler up here. It's going to be really kind of hard to see this end. The moon's out already. Got some thunder bumpers way over there. But yeah, just a awesome spot to go and catch the view. So I hope you enjoy that. All right, let's go look for a waterfall. Okay, here you go. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's a little one. Hey, do you want to know if a bear shits in the woods? The answer is no. He likes to shit in the road. Way more convenient, less bushes. Okay, this is the 90 that we're gonna not take, and we're gonna go down this way. Oh, there's another one. Alright, the one we're looking for looks like it's running. Here we go. Yeah, that thing is so green right now. But I bet it's nice and cool, so we gotta stick our head in it. Ugh. Whew. Oh, that is amazing. Oh. Oh. Gotta tell you, that is so worth it. Oh, it's a hot day, and that is just absolutely ice cold. So nice. Yeah, check out these wildflowers. Nice, nice. So green and lush. Well, I wish the trees weren't there, because that is a beautiful little waterfall. But it's all in the shade. As much as it pains me, it is time for us to head down. I'm all nice and cooled off. And as always, if I can find us a creature or anything happens, I'll try and get it on film. But I hope that you like this little day run to the waterfalls, and that you like, share, and subscribe. All right. Can't wait to talk to you again.